Recording time. Today, time is the thing that rules our daily life. From dawn to dusk, our activities are ruled by a clock that says whether we are in time or late. Concept of time. In our daily life, we come across many events, and we get to know about the events precisely only because of time. Time is the duration that tells us when an event exactly happened or will happen. Time also tells us about different activities we perform daily, at specific times of the day. For instance, when you wake up, when you go to school, when you play in the evening, you do all these events according to your timetable. The duration in which all that things happen is called time. People all over the world calculate time using a clock or a watch. If we think about the events of yesterday, most of us likely to start with waking up in the morning to going to bed at night. Similarly, the events in history can also be written down in order. Timeline is one of the best ways to show the events happened in the past till date. A timeline. A timeline is a graphical representation of how time passes. It is a way of displaying a list of events in the order they happened. It can be horizontal or vertical. It can be about person's life, events in history, inventions, or about anything that shows information during the passage of time. Timelines are very important. These help us understand history. Understanding the timeline, AD and BC. In India, we use Georgian calendar. Georgian calendar was created in Europe. In Georgian calendar, the birth of Jesus Christ is the time from which time is calculated. Therefore, the year of the birth of Jesus Christ is marked 1. From this year and onwards are calculated as ad Anno Domini after the birth of Jesus Christ, or CE, Common Era, and years before the birth of Jesus Christ are calculated as BC, before Christ, or BCE, before Common Era. Ad or CE is calculated forward like 1, 2, 3, 100, 200, so on, and BC or BCE is calculated backward like 500, 450, 400, so on. See the timeline on the next page. Creating a timeline. Creating a timeline is as easy as drawing a straight line with the ruler. Take a handful of events, match them to the dates they happened, and your timeline is ready. There are some important things to remember while creating a timeline. A timeline can be created using years, months, days, or even hours according to needs. It may contain images, pictures, or other figures related to the events. It may contain important information against dates. The space between time periods should match the time of events. Tracing one's own timeline. Rohan is an 8-year-old boy. He is very intelligent and organized child. He arranges his routine activities according to his time. Nowadays, he is enjoying his summer holidays. He has just completed his holiday project. The topic of his project was creating a timeline on students' daily routine. So, he created his own timeline horizontally. Tracing the date of birth of family members on a timeline. Tracing the date of birth of family members on a timeline is very easy. You can trace it vertically or horizontally as you want. You can use the pictures of your family members along with their year of birth on the timeline. Let us create a timeline on date of birth of family members of Minnie.